Welcome, here I've got Honor 7C and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's just simply slide to the right to get access to the advanced camera settings, and now at the first place we have the resolution option. When we pick this, we can change it. So here we have the quality of the picture with size and aspect ratio. This is connected. Now let's focus on aspect ratio. Now we are in 4 and 3, let's pick 1 and 1. And when we go back to the camera preview, we can see that the camera frame has changed to the square one. Now let's slide again to the resolution and pick 18:9. And in the camera preview it looks like that, so this is the full aspect ratio. And of course by sliding again we can easily go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.